Round 1. Create a magic ring. Work 5 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Rounds 2 to 3, chain 1. 5 single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Repeat this for both rounds 2 and 3. Round 4, chain 5. Single crochet in second chain from hook. Single crochet in next chain. Half double crochet in next 2 chains. Slip stitch into the next stitch of the flower base. Repeat steps 1 to 5 times to create all petals. Finally, slip stitch to join. Round 1. Create a magic ring. Work 6 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Rounds 2 to 3, chain 1. Work 6 single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Repeat this for both rounds 2 and 3. Round 4, start by chaining 5. Single crochet in second chain from hook. Single crochet in the next chain. Work half double crochet in the next 2 chains. Slip stitch into the next stitch of the flower base. Repeat steps 1 to 5 6 times to create all petals. Finally, slip stitch to join. Round 1, begin by chaining 37. Round 2, add wire for stability. In the second chain from hook, work 3 single crochet. Work 3 half double crochet. Create 24 double crochet. Follow with 3 half double crochet. Work 2 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 3 single crochet to form the leaf tip. Continue with 2 single crochet. Work 3 half double crochet. Create another 24 double crochet. Follow with 3 half double crochet. Finish with 3 single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 3, start by working 36 single crochet. At the tip, work single crochet, chain, single crochet. Continue with 36 more single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Take your yarn and wrap it around your finger 3 times. Take a piece of wire and wrap it tightly around the middle of the yarn circle. Trim the ends of the yarn. Insert the flower core into the flower. Start wrapping that yarn. Pop in the flower stem and start wrapping. When it feels right, add the next flower. Keep going until all flowers are added. Add those lovely leaves you made. Wrap all the way down to the bottom of the stem. A dab of glue at the end.